Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here at TMC at 181 East Houston Street, but we are looking at a new Coke product. You may have seen this on the Super Bowl. This is Coca-Cola Energy. And if it ever wants to focus on here, Coca-Cola Energy. If you want to take a look at the back, those are the nutrition facts. There we go. And what it is, 140 calories, 39 grams of sugar, damn that's a lot, 0 grams of protein, 40 milligrams of sodium. All right, so what this is basically Coca-Cola as an energy drink. I believe they've tried this once before. I think they put coffee or something in it. But this one here has guarana, B vitamins, and caffeine. It is labeled at the very bottom there, an energy drink. So just so you don't get mixed up with anything. All right, so we're gonna give this a try. The variations that I saw here was this regular and then a 0 sugar. I'm not a fan of fake sugars. They taste weird to me, so I wouldn't personally choose that one. If you want to go for it, or sorry, if you want to try, go for it. So let's see. I know what Coke tastes like. I know what, Red Bull, Monster, all that stuff tastes like. Let's see what this is. It tastes like a Coke. Oh, that tastes, that's... Okay, when it first hits your tongue, it basically tastes like Coke that's used in a different type of sweetener. And it's a little bit less molassesy than you may think from other things, but this one has an odd aftertaste, at least the first time I had it. So the carbonation, at least in this one, seems a little bit finer than what I would find in a regular can of Coke. And for some reason, the aftertaste on here is kind of making my mouth not feel dry, but it's giving this the sensation of dryness. Now this just may be because this is literally the first thing I'm having today. I'm a little tired. I just want to try this out because I saw this in the Super Bowl. I saw this previously in stores, and I was like, I'll give it a try eventually, but now that they're starting to market it, why not show you guys to see if this is a good option. I need to take another drink. Something is not really balancing for me. I mean, it definitely has that kind of Coca-Cola flavor, a hint of it at the very beginning, but then that's where things start to move away. And it does have a different kind of sweetness. I would like to know if they use any kind of artificial sweetener with this. So the ingredients are carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, glucose, less than 2% of natural flavors, caffeine, guarana. All right, so it must be something else in this because they're still using high fructose corn syrup, which is what they use in American cans of Coke. Sometimes you can get that Mexican Coke that comes in a glass bottle that does have real sugar, and I do like that. But for me, high fructose corn syrup tastes about the same, so I have no issue with it. Something's just different about this. I like this in the sense that it's kind of like Coke with a different twist on it. But for me, I've kind of gotten used to something like a Red Bull. Red Bull comes in like 8-ounce cans all the way up to 20-ounce, I believe. I know that may have more, actually I don't know if this would have more or less caffeine in it. That's something I want to take a look at later because this doesn't exactly say how many milligrams of caffeine. And if you know anything about energy drinks now, like natural energy drinks, like maybe Runa or something, they're going to tell you how much caffeine is inside. Here, as far as I can tell, it's not like extremely clear how many milligrams. This is a 12-ounce can, and I believe I did get this. All right, so what this is, I got this at CVS in Manhattan, so maybe it's a little bit more. $2.64 plus tax is $2.87. As far as I know, now maybe, as far as I know, there shouldn't be any tax on this. This is something that sometimes places like CVS and Duane Reade, they kind of just put a blanket tax on everything, and they hope people just don't look at it twice. I'm gonna have to take a look at this because I'm could have sworn that there's no sales tax here. But think about this: $2.64. You could probably find it at a corner store or bodega for maybe a flat $2.50. That's what I would sell it for. I wouldn't go for an odd number, but hey, that's just how you make money. This is something I have to start rating products because I don't really know how to do this. 1 being terrible, 10 being great. I would give this maybe about a 6 or a 7. It's something that maybe it has to grow on me, like, because the first time I've had coconut water, I thought it was terrible. I thought it was the worst flavored thing ever. But the third time I had it, that's when it started growing on me, and now it's something that I can't get enough of. This, I may have to have it again. But things like this, a cold Coca-Cola product or cold fizzy product, I like these more when it's warm. Right now, we're still in winter. It may be 45 degrees outside, but I love these kind of drinks when they are warm. I think what this reminds me most of is that Pepsi came out with a product, I think it was called 1897 or something like that, and they use different sweeteners in it, and it had like kind of a more robust flavor. I would equate that to that. Eventually, I did start to really like that product, so maybe this will grow on me. If you've had it, sorry, I don't know why I keep on coughing. If you've had this, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to learn any more about it, ask me, ask anybody there. Just let me know. All right, guys, this has been Coca-Cola Energy, and it does have guarana, B vitamins, and caffeine, and it may grow on me. So just keep a lookout for it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.